Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA continues to redefine the compact luxury segment with its innovative design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. As a coupe-inspired sedan, the CLA offers an ideal balance of style, functionality, and driving dynamics, making it a standout option in its class. With refreshed design elements, a more sophisticated interior, and enhanced performance options, the 2025 CLA is set to deliver a premium driving experience tailored to both enthusiasts and daily commuters. Mercedes-Benz introduces the 2025 CLA as part of its commitment to modern luxury and performance-driven engineering. This latest iteration features updates to its exterior styling, advanced interior technology, and improved efficiency across its powertrains. Aimed at younger, tech-savvy drivers, the CLA maintains its signature sleek profile while integrating cutting-edge features like the latest MBUX infotainment system and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Inside, the 2025 CLA offers a cabin that blends luxury with state-of-the-art technology. Premium materials like Napa leather, open-pore wood trims, and ambient lighting options elevate the interior's aesthetics. The centerpiece is a dual-screen layout comprising a fully digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen powered by the next-gen MBUX system. Additional features like wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system ensure a refined and comfortable ride. The 2025 CLA maintains its signature coupe-like silhouette while incorporating subtle refinements to enhance aerodynamics and visual appeal. A redesigned front fascia features a more aggressive grille flanked by sharp LED headlamps with a digital light option. New alloy wheel designs and bold paint colors, such as obsidian black metallic and hyper blue, further enhance its sporty character. The 2025 CLA offers a range of powertrain options, starting with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers a spirited yet efficient performance. For those seeking more excitement, the AMG CLA 35 and AMG CLA 45S variants feature high-performance tuning, with the latter producing over 400 horsepower for a thrilling drive. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA seamlessly combines sleek design, advanced technology, and engaging performance, making it a compelling choice in the luxury compact segment. Whether as an entry point to the Mercedes-Benz lineup or a sophisticated daily driver, the CLA continues to set benchmarks in its class. With its refreshed design and modern enhancements, the CLA ensures that drivers enjoy every journey in style and comfort. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more related content.